Hello, my name is Mark Hildreth. I'm with New Haven Moving Equipment, and I'm going to demonstrate how to pack a wardrobe carton. So we're gonna put this together. Bar in here. That's what you're going to hang your clothes on. All right. So you are ready to go. So you just go to your closet, grab a handful of clothes, just pop them right on there and fill it right up. And you're more than welcome to put some pillows or shoes or some light comforters in the bottom. You don't want to put too much because it can get really heavy because this is a big carton. So once you have it all done, you close each one like this. You can tuck it in there just like that, and you're ready to go. For more information on our wardrobe cartons, please visit our website at newhaven-usa.com. Thank you.